A construction management plan is a document summarizing the steps of construction developed to mitigate the risk of delays due to unclear right-of-way acquisitions, utility relocation, and railroad agreements. The Texas Department of Transportation and researchers from the Center for Transportation Research look to help TxDOT evaluate the plans and develop a guidebook with recommendations for improved implementation.
The construction management plan is something that must be completed for every project that have unclear certifications that will only be cleared after letting, and the projects need to do that to ensure compliance with the Code of Federal Regulations. And in projects that have unclear certifications at the time of letting, the responsible district must submit a CMP that outlines information and a plan to how the conflicts are going to be cleared after letting.
Since the implementation of CMPs several years ago, there has not been a thorough review of their effectiveness.
The department has been doing the construction management plan since fiscal year 2019, and they had been doing them for a while, and they really just wanted to see if they were effective, to see if all of our efforts were amounting to any significant success. UT gathered a lot of data from TxDOT. We provided all of our CMPs to them. They also received data from Site Manager, which is where we house construction information. And they were able to review the construction management plans, to see if they, what those look like, the good, the bad, the ugly. And then also they looked at Site Manager for change order data to see, how the data looked before and after CMPs were implemented. And they did a lot of data analysis and lots of conversations with the design division, just to kind of make sure that they were on the right track.
Well, the most important finding is that CMPs were effective, they were considered to be effective, right? And we reached that conclusion primarily due to the fact that both the number of change orders and also the project cost variation due to change orders were lower in the period after TxDOT started implementing CMP.
This work will benefit all Texas drivers with a goal of reducing construction delays on site.
CMPs allow TxDOT projects to let projects with unclear certifications to start construction earlier, provided that certain conditions are met. The other benefit in reduce the overall cost for CMP projects, because the findings and the recommendations, they may contribute to reducing change orders in this type of projects.
So the next step is to use the recommendations and implement them. We just rolled out our construction management plan standard operating procedures, and so we will look at the recommendations and look to update our SOP.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.